Today we will review another store, that is Magiland.com. In this video we will check out the product details of this store and we will decide either this is a legit or a scam store. So let's move forward and check out the details. Magiland.com is an international website that has been seen by inspired by vintage collection and offers something similar to the tradition. So they are actually selling women clothing. It was registered on 20th April 2021. They are offering you free delivery over order of $29. Moreover, their business shipping days are 6 to 15 for North America and 8 to 15 for Europe. Moreover, if you are interested to know the shipping duration in Asia, that is 7 to 15 days. A refund is guaranteed within a week, but we are unable to find the reviews of this Magiland.com. So now we will check the advantages of buying from this store, as it is offering you a great collection for women and it is inspired by some vintage prints that are attractive and interesting for the customer, and shipping time for the order is very less. They are offering many offers on the purchase of several different products. Different products are available at a very good price deal compared to any other website. Moreover, it is founded by Rebecca. Easy return on the products are available and the website is offering many discounts and offers. And the negative point of shopping from this is that we are unable to find reviews for the website either on the website or on the internet, and it is just 2-month-old website. No contact details is mentioned, no order history or the previous order is available. So we have the question arises in mind that is it legit, as it was just 2 months old, but its index rate is 48.6 and the trust score is too low, that is 2%. No review is available anywhere and the website does not have any social media presence on any platform. So as the reviews of the customer plays a very vital role to decide either this is a legit or a scam store, and we are unable to find any review, unfortunately, on any social media or on any leading portal. So no doubt this website has a good collection, but still as it is just 2 months old and it is even difficult for us to decide either this is legit or a scam website. And for our viewers, we will give you a suggestion that you should do your own research before buying anything from this store and wait for some genuine reviews to arise within some time.